So this is your second trip to Florida as leader of the opposition. Why are you here? Why are you here today?
Well, the diaspora, the Jamaicans living outside of Jamaica, are such an important part of our society, our wider society. Jamaica is an island, obviously, but the Jamaica, which comprises the people and the culture, the way of life and the way of thinking, is really a much broader thing than just those who live on the island at a given point in time. So I feel it's very important that Jamaicans at home and abroad participate as much as possible in the development of our country. And I know that in the diaspora there are so many Jamaicans, very talented people who have tremendous experience, acumen, and a passion for their homeland. So for me, it's important to engage with Jamaicans outside of Jamaica as often as I can, and to find ways in which they can be of service to their nation. Because even if they're U.S. citizens, they're also Jamaicans and will always be. So and that's why I'm here. I'm here because there's a function tomorrow night where the American Friends of Jamaica are honoring two guys who I know from Jamaica, Chris Zaka and Courtney Campbell. And I was invited to come, and I came, and then, of course, you said, well, since you're coming, let's do some other things. and this is one of them. So, yeah, it's an opportunity to just meet people, greet people, and hear from people, and have a discussion.
Yeah. So